welcome. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. I appreciate you being here today. It is fall, and I'm thinking all things fall. And because of that, I think it's time to do some baking. How about you? Today we're gonna make pumpkin chocolate chip cookies. These are soft, pillowy cookies. They're super chewy. They are the silliest, I was gonna say dumbest, but silliest, easiest cookie to make. And so in fact, there's only 4 ingredients, only 4. What you're gonna need for this recipe is spice mix cake, a can of pumpkin, chocolate chips, and a couple eggs. And that's all we're gonna need for this recipe. Okay, so before we get started, there's a couple of things I wanted to share with you. Make sure you preheat the oven well. It's 350, and so the oven is preheating as we speak. And you'll need a cookie sheet, obviously. I have one of the silicone pans here. You don't need to, I should show you. You don't need to spray it with like cooking oil. It's just fine that way. You could use parchment paper too. I also use a small ice cream scoop to make sure the cookies are uniform. So, okay, let's go. Tip for you, see how closely I have them together on the pan? You can put these together really tight because they don't spread, they puff up and get really pillowy. So don't worry about crowding them. And just that simple, our cookies are done. I've just been putting them on the cookie sheet. Let me tell you, they are wonderful. They come out, like I said, soft and pillowy, and your whole house smells like pumpkin spice. It is delicious. They're so chewy, and I have to try one. Yum. Okay, I can't talk with my mouth full, but I have to say, if you're looking for a simple, easy dessert, these are perfect. I know my great niece has made them for her school. They put them on their website. Everybody just loves how yummy and chewy they are. So if you're looking for an easy cookie, this one for you is perfect for fall. Enjoy.